Hey guys, it's your girl Lashestonixofam. I have a hot pink exciting box for you guys to look at, and this is like one of my favorite subscription boxes. It is my yoga club box. If you love any kind of workout wear, or if you're like me and you work from home and you just like to be comfy, when you walk your dogs, maybe if you do yoga, maybe if you exercise from home. I don't go out to the gyms. I'd rather exercise from my house. I'd rather walk around my house and, just be comfortable when I work. You guys only see like the top half of me. You don't know that 90% of the time I'm wearing yoga pants when I'm doing my YouTube videos. Or if I'm doing my playing with me's, I'm usually in my yoga club stuff. So here's my box. I always get really excited when I see this bright pink box. It's gorgeous. Yeah, it's like my favorite thing. I will link my yoga club link down below for you guys to check out. It's a very fun subscription. You do get it monthly. They have different ones that you can get. There's the cheapest one is you just get a pair of yoga pants, which that's the first one that I started. I'll put that card up here if you guys want to see what just the yoga pants look like and how it comes. For some reason that I really don't like something or something does not fit, customer service is amazing with Yoga Club, and they will send you something else, and you just talk to customer service and it gets all worked out. So let's get started with opening this up and see what I got for the month of March. Okay, so I'm really excited. I love the, like I said, the pink box. It's so pretty. You're gonna get it like this. It comes packaged really cute with the Yoga Club sticker in this like hot pink, and it's all packaged tightly like a little burrito, but I kind of peeked. I wanted to see what I got. I was really excited. I have not tried these on yet. So let's pull this out of the box. Like I said, I do get the most expensive box, which you do get 3 pieces in this box. I can't remember what it's called, but like I said, I will have all the info in my description box, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. I'll try to have my referral link down below in my description box, and that way you guys can get 25% off your first box. That is amazing because I never got that. So, and then I also get 25% off if you sign up through my link. I also get 25% off. So that's great. We both help each other out. Okay, so that is that. Now let's open this bad boy and see what I got. Like I said, I do get 3 pieces of clothing. So let's look at this. I'm really excited about this one. I love any type of very comfy like sports bra. I live in these things. I totally live in these things. So this is what the sports bra looks like. I love the back. It's really, really cute. I don't have anything like this. So it's got these like triangle cups, and the back is very like strappy, very cute. I'm really excited to try this on. Okay, the next piece, oh, this is really soft. This is a gray t-shirt, which you can't go wrong with a solid gray t-shirt. It's really, really comfy and stretchy. This is by the brand Alternative. Looks like that. This is a medium, and it does tell you the retail price. So this is at retail would be $34 for a t-shirt. But like I said, I don't have to pay anything because I've already paid for my box. So that is this. Let me see if this had the retail price. Yes. Okay. So the retail price of this, if you can see that, would be $58. $58 for that. So already it's pretty much paid for just with these 2 pieces. So that's why it's a great deal. And like I said, you don't have to send anything back. They're all yours. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this piece, you guys. I love black yoga pants, black leggings, and these are super like fitted and tight, and I don't know what they're made of, but they feel amazing. Look at this detail. I want to show you guys this detail. I don't know if you can see it, but there is like a cutout that goes up the leg. And by the way, this is my favorite brand. I have so many pairs of yoga pants in this brand. They're very stretchy. It's Glider is the brand. They're my favorite. I love this brand. It's so stretchy. Holds everything you want to hold in. And it's got this really cute little logo on it. I love the detail of the side. And these retail, I'm sure it's going to be pretty pricey for the retail. If I can find the retail. Yeah. The retail price of these yoga pants are $76. So there you go. It's already paid for. So these alone would pay for my box. And then I also got these two as well. So if you see what I'm saying, you do get luxury pieces. When you pay more, you do get the better pieces. I have never gotten the medium box that you get 2 pieces in. So I can't really let you know about that one, but I have gotten the Yoga Club, just the yoga pants before, and I really liked mine. I got Free People. They were really good. I wear them. I still wear them all the time. They're like my favorite. I will link that video. I will try to link all my Yoga Club unboxing videos for you guys. I don't have that many, but I will try to link them for you guys. So yeah, so the next thing to do is try on. So I'm gonna be right back, and I will try everything on for you guys to see what they look like. I'm really excited. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I tried on the outfit from Yoga Club, and I have to say I'm really loving it. It's so cozy. This t-shirt is super comfortable. But my favorite thing is probably the sports bra, and these yoga pants are to die for. So it's really going to be hard for me to show you this bra, but I'm going to try my best just because there's like no opening in this t-shirt. But here's the t-shirt. It's just very like basic. It's just a very basic t-shirt. But I'll try to pull it down in the back so you guys can see. Like, you guys can see. Hopefully you can see that. It's just like a strap. And then that is the band at the bottom. So, but yeah, super cute. It'd be really cute with like an open back t-shirt. I don't know why they didn't put it together with that, but yeah. Or you could just wear it like off the shoulder like I normally do. And it almost looks like a swimsuit, to be honest with you. So it's really cute. I think it'd be cute for the summer. I gotta show you the details of these yoga pants. First of all, I love that they're high-waisted. I always love like high-waisted yoga pants. I love black. They're my favorite. Look like this. But I want to show you the best part. The best feature of these pants are the back details. So let me get my chair. I'm gonna have to stand up to show you the details. So hold on one second. Okay guys, these are the back detail I wanted to show you. They're like so cute. There's like little circles all the way up the back of your calf. So they're so cute. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this March Yoga Club. If you did, make sure to check out my description box. I will have all the info down below. And if you want to sign up through Yoga Club, make sure to use my link. Then we'll both get 25% off our next purchase. I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this Yoga Club little unboxing. I really like these pieces, especially the yoga pants and this little really cute little strappy bralette or sports bra, whatever you want to call it. It's really pretty. I love the color. It's like a really summery blue color. So, kind of out of breath. But anyway, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I would totally appreciate that. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this yoga club box for March. And like I said, everybody's is different. Like, nobody's is the same. That's super cool because, like I said, when you take the quiz, you fill out what you want, not what I want. So it's totally different for everybody. Like I said, make sure to be subscribed to my channel. I will link my 3K giveaway that is going on right now. And I will also link all my yoga club unboxings. If you want to just binge watch them, I would totally appreciate that. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys later. Just want to say I love you guys to pieces. You are my peoples. Bye. Love ya.